In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the 6 rules for accomplishing more while working less. Too many people believe that the only way they can achieve more and be more successful is by putting in more hours. However, that isn't always the case. It isn't easy to work less and achieve more, but these 6 rules can help you do just that. The 80-20 rule. This rule suggests that a small amount of inputs contributes to a much more substantial amount of outputs. To utilize this rule in your daily schedule, you need to minimize the time that you spend in the unproductive 80%, meaning you have to cut the time that you spend on tasks that contribute very little to achieving your goals. Parkinson's Law. The idea behind Parkinson's Law is that work will fill the time that is available for its completion. This is a side effect when you focus on doing work rather than completing projects. Set strict deadlines for yourself and cultivate your desire to finish projects. Energy management. As opposed to time management, energy management forces you to think of your results as a function of energy and not as time invested. You can accomplish more by working intensely for a short time than you can working for days distracted and tired. Only use sharp tools. Don't waste your time working on things that you don't intend to excel at. Delegate them to someone else. For the things that you do not want to master, make it your priority to sharpen your tool beyond what is necessary to get the job done. Rule with numbers. One of the biggest wastes of your time is assumptions. When your intuitions about the world around you don't match the way it looks, you will never be efficient. The only way you can test false assumptions is to test them and follow it up with numbers. The results of the test can end up saving you hundreds of hours if it shows that your current process doesn't have an impact or suggests a faster alternative. The marginal rule of quality. Perfectionists never finish projects, but those who are sloppy are always having to make corrections because they've wasted too much time. Instead, you need to learn to stop working on tasks when the extra input you invest exceeds the output gained. Incorporating these 6 rules into your routine can dramatically increase your productivity so you can start accomplishing more in less time.